SP Series Multi-Cylinder Cone Crusher. Structural composition. 1. Upper body assembly. 2. Lower body assembly. 3. Spindle assembly. 4. Eccentric seat assembly. 5. Drive shaft assembly. Key features. 1. Hydraulic motor drive, easy to adjust the discharge port, greatly shorten the times of tooth plate replacement. 2. The hydraulic cylinder is locked, the locking force is large, the cavity cleaning is convenient, and the nitrogen accumulator provides iron release protection. The performances of the equipment. SP Series Multi-Cylinder Hydraulic Cone Crusher is a cone crusher with high performance level developed by absorbing advanced technology of foreign cone crushers, widely used in the fields of metallurgy, construction, hydropower, transportation, chemical industry, building materials industry, suitable for crushing all kinds of ores and rocks with the hardness hard, medium and the above. Structural advantages. 1. High production capacity. Compared with the same size of other equipment, ours can be increased by 30 to 40%. 2. Our final products have good particle shapes and uniform particle size distribution. 3. With steel structure body and through heat treatment, the body is stronger and durable. 4. Equipped with hydraulic motor to drive the fixed tooth plate parts, and implemented automatic and accurate adjustment to the discharge port. After adjustment, the locking hydraulic cylinder is automatically fixed. 5. Automatic cavity cleaning. The blockage in the crushing cavity can be removed in time by releasing the cylinder, which greatly reduces the downtime. 6. With the labyrinth combined with grease seal bearing, our equipment is safe and reliable. 7. With an automatic overload protection structure, the crusher can automatically reset after overload. The size of the discharge port remains unchanged to ensure the stability of product quality. 8. The cooling circulation system of the lubricating oil is equipped with the devices of temperature control and pressure control to ensure the reliable operation of the main machine.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.